Hello, in this video I'd like to show you the WP Toolkit in Plesk. The WP Toolkit in Plesk is a set of tools and functionalities that simplifies the management, the security and performance optimization of WordPress installations. In Plesk, you can access the WP Toolkit in the WordPress menu. If you don't see your website listed here, just go back to Website and Domains and click this WordPress icon here. Let's go back to the WordPress menu. And here we can see all kinds of options here related to our WordPress website. So from here we can access the file manager and directly edit the files of the website. Let's go back. The copy data option allows us to copy content and data from one WordPress instance to another. This is particularly useful for duplicating content across multiple sites, creating backups, or setting up staging environments. Here we can see the source and decide what we want to copy, files only or database only. We can also decide what part of the database we want to copy. Here we get a warning, so obviously we need another WordPress installation on the server, a target location where we can copy the data to. Cloning is commonly used for creating a staging environment where changes can be tested before being applied to the live site. The difference between cloning and copy data is that cloning creates a complete duplicate of a site, while copy data allows for selective copying of specific elements. The backup and restore is a quite straightforward option. You can create security backups for your site and restore them if needed. And here we can see the error logs. Here we have some general information about our WordPress installation, such as version number, plugin and theme information, security warnings. We can switch PHP versions, and we have information about our SSL certificate. Under Tools, we have some administrative tasks to streamline the upkeep and security of WordPress installations. We can turn on and off these options. If you enable one of these, don't forget to check your website. Let's go to the Plugins tab. This option allows us to manage all plugins for our WordPress sites. This includes installing, activating, deactivating, updating, and removing plugins. It also provides an overview of the status and version of each plugin. I will just deactivate this plugin because it isn't working properly on my site. Under Themes, we basically have the same functionalities. The Database tab in WP Toolkit provides tools for managing the website database. We have quick access to PHP-MyAdmin and some information about the database. Select the Fix Vulnerabilities option. We have 3 items here. For the first 2, we don't have any fixes yet, but for the last one, we have. If I click Apply Security Measure, it will show me what this is. It shows that there are no official fixes for this problem from WordPress, but WP Toolkit can offer a workaround. Let's activate these options. Here we have some other security measures. You can try them out, but always check if they cause any issue with your website. If they do, then just undo the option. If you click on the information icon, you can get a detailed explanation on each option. For example, the security measure forbid execution of PHP scripts in the WP content/uploads directory. It prevents the execution of PHP scripts in that directory, in the uploads directory, by blocking potentially malicious code from running in this commonly targeted folder. This helps protect the site from certain types of attacks, such as file upload vulnerabilities. It's a good idea to go through all these options. Here we can edit the password of the admin user. From here we can also install a brand new WordPress. With this connect option, we can connect a remote website with WP Toolkit. The scan option will scan the entire file system for new WordPress installations. Here we can check for available updates. We have already covered security issues, but it will list all security issues for a selected WordPress site. You can also detach a site from the WP Toolkit list, or you can completely remove the website. Be very careful with this option. Here we can put our site to maintenance mode. Here we have some auto updates settings. We can set this to automatically update WordPress, themes, and plugins. The Smart Update option automatically updates WordPress core, themes, and plugins while testing the updates in a staging environment first. This ensures compatibility and functionality before applying changes to the live site, minimizing the risk of disruptions and errors. So this is all I wanted to show you in this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.